Okay, welcome to a combustion reaction lab today. So I don't have any other chemicals from school, so I do have some at home here so that I can demonstrate this lab. So what you guys would normally have tried if we were at school is that, you know, you'd have our Bunsen burner. So like here's my Bunsen burner. Okay, so this is my Bunsen burner, and you're gonna have a beaker. So in this case, I have a glass here, and I have it against a white surface here, so you can see that it's nice and clean, and we're good to go. Okay, all right. So the gas that's coming out of the oven here. Okay, so that's methane gas. I do have oxygen in the air, so I'm gonna show you a combustion reaction. All right, so here it goes. Okay, so here we go. So I'm gonna turn on my faux Bunsen burner here, and I want you to pay attention to, I've turned on the gas so that I'm getting a nice blue flame. There's little flickers of orange, but a nice blue flame. So I'm just gonna put my, whoops, not the paper. And oh yes, don't do this at home, okay? I'm gonna put the glass into the Bunsen burner, okay? So don't do this at home. Just gonna do it for a few seconds here. Okay, and then stop. Can you turn it off? Okay, so now we're gonna inspect the glass here. So putting it on the white paper. Yes, it's gonna be hot, but you're noticing it still has the same coloring and so forth, okay? All right. Okay, so here we go. Now I have this lighter. It also has a hydrocarbon in it, so I think it's butane, but anyway, we're just gonna kind of assume it's about the same. So if you take a look here, it is blue at the bottom, but then you got that yellow orangey flame at the top. Okay, so I'm gonna use that now to heat up this cup here, okay? Okay, so here we go. I got the glass. I'm just gonna take the lighter, light it, and I'm just gonna put the flame underneath just for a few seconds. And again, you're not doing this at home, okay? Just watching this video and going, all right, this is a combustion experiment. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop to that. All right, so I'm gonna put it down. You can take a look here. And I don't know if you see that there's a new color on there. So here, I'm gonna just take my finger to it. And you'll see that there is actually black soot on there. Okay, so that demonstration was to show you the difference between complete combustion and incomplete combustion. So with the first one where I used the blue flame, okay, so that was a nice clean hot flame, we found that the glass didn't get any byproducts on it, okay? But in this case here, so we found that, you know, we got some byproducts that we can actually see visually, okay? So here is where the soot appeared and so forth. So that's why you always want to adjust your Bunsen burners to a blue flame, because it's a burn cleaner and hotter and so forth, where when you have that orangey flame or the yellowy flame, that's when you're not getting a good efficient burn, I guess. So you're creating out extra byproducts and so forth. Okay, so that's just your complete and incomplete combustion visual.